Hi guys, it's Jools here and welcome to my channel, and today I'm back with another crochet kit. This one is called Miki Monkey, and he's the next in the series. We've already had Jolly Giraffe and Dolly Dawdle, and now we've got Miki Monkey. So let's get cracking and I'll tell you what we have in the kit. So we'll put Mickey to one side for a minute. Now when you get your kit, everything I'm going to show you will be in your kit. Everything you need to make that lovely adorable little monkey. Now firstly, you'll see that you've got this lovely sponge bag. It's a big sponge bag, so you'll be able to use it for anything you want afterwards. And it's tied with a couple of tags, so if you're thinking of giving it as a gift, you can use the tags as gift tags afterwards. So first of all, the biggest thing in there is of course your stuffing. Now this stuffing is special stuffing, as I've already said in my other videos. It's ball stuffing, and the difference between this and ordinary stuffing is that this has been balled up to make use easier. It doesn't clump, it stuffs easier, and it's just a nicer stuffing. So you will get ball fibre in all of my kits. Then you get your little bag. You have a little organza bag, and in your organza bag you've got your crochet hook, whichever is the right size for the wool and the kit. You've got some contrast yarn to use as a marker, and that becomes evident in the videos. You've got some black yarn, which is for features, and in the black yarn you'll find your bodkin, a large-eyed bodkin, because this yarn that we're using for Miki Monkey is thick yarn. And then also you've got a couple of stitch markers, so if you can't get on with the continuous stitch marker, you can use those stitch markers there. So next we have your yarn. Now whichever kit you have, there'll be obviously the right coloured yarn for that kit. This one is for Miki Monkey, the original, and so you've got camel for the main body, and you've got the contrast yarn, which is the white. All the yarn is secured with a ribbon to stop it unravelling, and it's in a nice cellophane bag to stop it getting dusty. And also you've got a gift tag on this as well, a matching gift tag on your wool. And then finally you've got your pattern. Now again, it's all sealed to keep it clean, and you know you've got the right one because it'll have a Miki Monkey sticker or a Dolly Daydream sticker, or whichever kit you've bought, you'll have a sticker on the back pertaining to that pattern. And then you've got your instructions on the front to tell you how to access your videos and your tutorials. Now I'm not going to use that one today. I just happen to have one that I prepared earlier. So what you will get in your pattern, it's the same format for all of my patterns so far. You've got approximately 4 pages. This one's got 4 pages again. You're numbered at the bottom, look. On the front page, page 1, you've got all the materials which are contained inside your kit. You've got the abbreviations that are used throughout the pattern, and then you've got your crochet stitches and special techniques. For example, chain. Your first one is a chain stitch, and it tells you how to make a chain stitch. Look, make a slip knot, put your hook into the slip knot and draw a loop through, which is a chain stitch. Okay, then you go through, you've got your main body of your pattern, you've got your basic dolly, legs, arms, and then we get to the bits pertaining to Miki Monkey. You've got eyes, muzzle, ears and tail. Okay, and then finally you'll have the assembling of your monkey on the back page. You've got the same copyright bump that's normally on all my patterns, and then you've got all the links below. Come back for tutorial number 2, and I'll teach you how to do the muzzle and everything else, because by then you should have, if you followed the instructions on the pattern, you should have your basic dolly already made. So subscribe, it does help my channel, please. It's only a new channel, I've only been going since about November, so if you hit the subscription button and then hit the little bell at the side of it, every time I upload another video, YouTube will tell you. So it really would help, and I'd love for you all to help me through this journey, my new journey, and I'd love you to be a follower. So I'll see you in the next video, which is video number 2 for Miki Monkey. Bye.